everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today Sonia and I will go to Theo Chocolate. We booked the appointment at 11 o'clock, but for some reason I keep thinking that our appointment is at 12, so we are actually running late. Theo Chocolate has the experience for going inside to check out their chocolate factory. It's kind of like reminds me the movie Charlie's and his chocolate factory. We both think that it could be a really interesting experience, so we booked the ticket online. The ticket was $14, but also you have to pay for tax. We supposed to be there at least like 10 minutes before, and also have to find parking, but you know, like I forgot the appointment, so hopefully we don't miss that much things since we are late. Talk to you guys later. We are so lucky that we'll be able to reschedule, and we are now outside the chocolate factory. Our appointment has been rescheduled to at 1 o'clock today, and then we are going to film our experience. And here comes a little background about Theo Chocolate. They opened their first store at 2005, and then they start having their first organic Theo Chocolate at 2006. Later on, 2013, they have their first shop at Canada. The next year, they start having the peanut butter flavor. At 2019, they start repacking their Theo Chocolate, the packaging, which is quite awesome with the year timeline. And I'm actually really excited what we will be able to see inside. Are we gonna try some chocolate, or are we gonna make the chocolate by ourselves? Let's see. Since we rescheduled the appointment, so now we have extra time to explore any shops nearby the factory. We found this nursery place. Is called Indoor Sun Shoppe. This store was founded in 1970s and have been Seattle's most trusted source for houseplant, lighting, and indoor gardening supplies.
So you don't want to. No. Just don't let her.
Okay. While waiting, we also check out the question board outside, which they provide the answer underneath to tell us more about the factory background. The tour lasts an hour, and after the first 30 minutes, I finally tried my first chocolate. It's 85% dark, and since it's 85% dark chocolate, so it's kind of bittery.
Cocoa nibs, roasted, broken up part of the inside of the bean. Now you are informed. There you go.
Thank you.
There you go. You are removing some of that cocoa butter.
This is an 85% vanilla chocolate bar.
I'm just joking. Oh wow. Happy
Thank
birthday.
you.
This one is nice and sweet. There is a little salty taste to it because of the toffee.
This is a 55%, and then we have toffee. It's really crunchy, and if you like to bite something, this is something that I recommend. Yeah.
Of course.
Thank you.
Of course. This one is one of my favorite chocolates.
So 45%.
Crab balsamic here, apple cider here. Ball field. I made every.
Is it big enough? Look at dinosaur. %. Dark chocolate. Oh, did you have an Instagram?
Bye bye.
See you in the next place.
Thank you.
Hi everyone, we are at FogRose Atelier for the afternoon tea. They have the Halloween set. It's from October 28th to October 30, which is today is the last day. We get into the film Alice in Wonderland. Look at Sonia, she dressed up so pretty. And now we are waiting for our food. I ordered a lychee green tea. Looks a little red. More like the lychee smell with the green tea flavor. And then Sonia ordered caramel. What did you get? I get the lychee. Lychee? Yeah, lychee green tea.
We have the Dutch oven here, which is a French onion soup. We have a duck confit BLT. We have a dressed egg, which is smoked salmon and pickled cucumbers. Moving back up, we have the meringue, pavlova, which is piped with whipped cream. Then the macarons are, this is charcoal color with passion fruit and chocolate ganache. Then we have the pumpkin. At the very top here, we have the Ace of Spades tiramisu, and then we have the Mad Hatter chocolate cupcake with piped with pureed raspberry.
We're gonna first try off the onion soup.
That's the pumpkin scone. And the scone is still warm, so it's quite fresh. You can really taste the rich flavor of pumpkin, and it's actually not sweet. And I have the macaron with a little arrow. Usually macaron is like kind of sweet, and this one is not sweet. I would say that might be like 35 to 40% sweet. And then I have another macaron. This is like a little more sweeter than the one that I tried, and it tastes like vanilla. Berries are really fresh. Whipped cream on top. I feel like I'm eating sugar. The really bottom one. I have the tiramisu here. Really creamy. Cocoa powder on top. Cozy. I have the muffin with the hat cookie. The cookie is really soft. It doesn't taste like sugar at the very beginning, but if you like chew it, start eating a little longer, you can actually taste the sugar. Cream is kind of sweet as well. The bottom one is chocolate. In the cake, I would say 70% to 80% that would be sugar. To be honest, I feel like I intake too much sugar today. We went to Chocolate Factory. We tried 8 different chocolate. Now we have the afternoon tea at Bellevue. And literally it's all sugar. Anyway, cheers. Hi everyone, I'm finally home. It was a really productive day that we are out all day. We went to Theo Chocolate, try out the Chocolate Factory experience, try out 8 different chocolates. We go through from the dark chocolate to the milk one, which is kind of the sweetness. The staff there are really nice. Tour guide is really informative. We joined the tour at 1 o'clock and it's an hour tour, so we end at 2. And for everyone who joined the tour, we get 20% discount if we shop in the retail store. At the very beginning, we thought it will be kind of similar to Charlie's and his Chocolate Factory, that the movie, like have the chocolate river. That's not reality. But anyway, that was a quite interesting experience. And then later on after that, we went to Bellevue, FogRose Atelier for the high tea, trying out their Halloween special. They have the theme Alice in Wonderland, and all the staff, they dress up like Alice in Wonderland, which is quite cute. Unfortunately, the high tea dessert is, I know it's dessert, but they kind of like too sweet for both me and Sonia, and with the price, it's a little pricey. I actually went there before, and last time I had the regular tea set, and then this time I tried their special. For me, I actually like their original style better, because today I think I just tried out too much sugar. I'm a little over it, like too sugary, too sweet. That was the only thing that we were a little disappointed, but other than that, we enjoyed the environment there, and also the staff there are nice. That is our end of day, and I hope you guys enjoy our video. If you like it, please like and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel. I will also put Sonia's channel under the description. When you have time, go check out her channel. She's awesome. Anyway, I will see you guys next time. Bye.